What is the best way to vent a dryer outside?
Welcome to this guide on properly venting your dryer. It's vital to vent your dryer outside to prevent the buildup of humidity, heat, and lint in your home, which could lead to mold growth, damage to your home, or even a fire. Today, we'll guide you through the steps needed to correctly vent your dryer to the outdoors.
Why is venting a dryer outside important?
Properly venting your dryer outside is crucial for three primary reasons. 1. Safety. A dryer produces a significant amount of heat, which can cause fires if not properly vented. 2. Efficiency. Venting allows your dryer to work optimally by letting out the hot air and humidity. 3. Health. Venting prevents the accumulation of moisture in your home, which can cause mold growth.
What do you need to vent a dryer outside?
To vent your dryer outside, you'll need a dryer vent kit. This usually includes a vent hood, flexible ducting, and clamps, a drill to create an opening for the vent, a saw or jigsaw for cutting a hole in your wall. Remember to wear safety equipment like gloves and goggles to protect yourself during the process.
How to vent a dryer outside?
Step 1. Locate a suitable spot for your dryer vent. This should be an outside wall that is as straight as possible to ensure efficient airflow. Step 2. Measure and mark the spot where you'll cut a hole for the vent. It's advisable to drill a pilot hole from the inside to the outside to guide your saw or jigsaw. Step 3. Cut the hole from the outside of your house using a saw or jigsaw, guided by the pilot hole you drilled. Step 4. Install the vent hood on the outside wall, securing it with screws. Step 5. Attach one end of the flexible ducting to the vent on the back of your dryer and the other end to the vent hood on the outside of your house. Secure both ends with clamps. Step 6. Check that the vent is working properly by running your dryer and checking that hot air is being exhausted from the vent hood outside. Properly venting your dryer outside is a crucial task that helps keep your home safe and your dryer functioning efficiently. While it might seem daunting at first, with the right tools and our step-by-step guide, you should be able to accomplish this task. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, safety is always a priority.